Hey there, welcome back to DSU YouTube channel, and today in this video I'm going to explain you about GSI as well as DSU. So the file that I just showed you and I'm selecting here is a GSI. GSI stands for Generic System Images that can be installed in any Project Treble supported devices. And the app that I'm using to install the GSI is DSU. DSU stands for Dynamic System Updates. It basically installs the system image, basically the generic system image in data partition and doesn't wipe your storage or make your device unusable like a normal installation if the update is bad. This app can be used using root or PC or Suzuki. For Suzuki and PC, you need to run a command. GSI can be used when your device doesn't have any custom ROM support. Although not all GSI will boot in your system, it depends on your vendor and kernel. I have installed many GSIs in past. For example, I had a Techno device in that I have installed GSIs because there was no custom ROM support. And as you can see, this update failed as well and it boots back to recovery, but you can simply reboot to your original operating system using reboot. I will link two of the GSI channels in the description. One makes AOSP or basically custom ROM based GSIs, another makes ports. DSU is the app that I showed. It basically used when you have to test something or you are not sure that the ROM will boot, so you can test it using it without losing your data or formatting, and it will save your system as well. Booting GSI depends on your kernel and vendor, so using stock is basically the best idea. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.